Woo! It really tastes like chicken. All right, now let's whip up some oyster mushrooms that taste better than chicken. Let's whip up some eggs so that we can add some seasonings. Add Cajun seasoning. Add some garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, plus some salt and pepper. Now let's prepare our breading mixture. We're going to start with Panko Breadcrumbs and some all-purpose flour. Add the same seasonings as we did before. Here I have a pack of blue oyster mushrooms. This is my first time trying oyster mushrooms. Have you ever had them before? First, dip them in the egg mixture and then dip them in the batter mixture. Woo! It really tastes like chicken. Even meaty like chicken. The seasonings are very flavorful. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe. Comment below which foods you'd like me to try next.